This tutorial review will show you how to find someone's email address on LinkedIn. Method 1. Get the email from their LinkedIn profile. The easiest way to find a person's email address on LinkedIn is to send them a connection request to their LinkedIn profile. It's common for people to accept your request even if they don't know you. When they've accepted and are now officially a first degree connection, you can browse their profile for their email address. Go to their LinkedIn profile page and click on Contact Info. Here you will find the email address if they have chosen to display it there. This isn't insidious as they have made it publicly available. After all, LinkedIn's main purpose is to connect professionals through its platform. Some people also put their email addresses in their profile bio or banner image. Make sure to look at them too. And the second method is go to their profile and click on Contact Info. If they added their website, you can visit their website. And then you can click on Contact Us tab on their website, and here scroll down and search for email address. So open their website and click on Contact, and all you have to need just search for their email address. So as you can see, the email address showing up here. And the third method is use an email finder tool. Another great way to find someone's emails from LinkedIn is to use a LinkedIn email finder tool. These are web apps specially designed to locate and identify emails from the LinkedIn social platform. So that's how you can find someone's LinkedIn profile email address. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.